Good day, ma'am. I'm from Butuan City Colleges Incorporated, and I'm here to ask some question about the history of museum in Butuan. So, here the first question. Where are the Barangay Vote display, and what is the story behind their discovery?
Uh, the Balangay boat is the single most important artifact collection in Butuan, dating from the 4th to 13th centuries. They are proof of a sophisticated pre-colonial maritime civilization and global trade hub in Butuan. Understanding where to see them, some parts are in the National Museum, others are at the nearby Balangay Shrine Museum, and how they were accidentally found by a dredging project in the 1970s is crucial for grasping Butuan's historical importance.
How did the Barangay Vote influence the life and trade of ancient Butuanons?
This moves beyond the object itself to its impact. The Balangay were not just vessels, they were the backbone of the ancient Butuanan economy. This question helps us or you learn about their extensive trade routes with China, India, and other Southeast Asian kingdoms, confirming Butuan's role as a major trading center long before the Spanish arrived.
Can you explain the construction technique of the barangay like plank build, edge peg, and what is considered advanced?
The technological sophistication of the ancient Filipinos. The unique construction method using wooden dowels or the pegs and fiber lashing instead of metal nails demonstrates advanced boat building expertise and an intimate knowledge of materials that is recognized globally by maritime historians.
What other significant artifacts were found alongside the barangay, such as ceramics or gold?
The associated artifacts provide context to the Balangay period. Discoveries of Chinese porcelain, gold ornaments like the Golden Tara replica, and burial materials prove the existence of a wealthy hierarchical society with active foreign trade and a unique material culture.
What information does the replica of the Butuan ivory seal provide about the kingdom's early identity and script?
This seal or its replica, often displayed at the museum, is engraved with the ancient Javanese script for the Butuan, and this confirms a direct official connection to the powerful Buddhist Srivijaya Empire and establishes the existence of a written language and official administrative practices in the region as early as the 10th century.
What can you tell me about the indigenous communities of the Caraga region, such as Higaonon, Mamanwa, and Manubo, whose artifacts are displayed here?
Well, Butuan's history is not just about the Balangay. The museum often includes an ethnological hall. This question highlights the region's cultural diversity and indigenous heritage. It allows you to learn about the living traditions, weaving, tools, and practices of the ancestral groups of Mindanao, contrasting them with the archaeological past.
What are the museum's preservation effort or conservation challenges for the Barangay Vote and other wooden gold artifacts?
Your last question addresses the stewardship of cultural heritage. Archaeological finds, especially waterlogged wood like the balangay, are extremely fragile and require specialized conservation. Learning about the challenges like humidity control, funding, security, highlights the ongoing work required to protect these irreplaceable national cultural treasures for the future generation.